Byrne, Doctor of Physical Therapy at McKenzie Health Systems.
Hi, I'm Sony. I'm Physical Therapist Assistant at McKenzie Health System.
And we're here today to tell you a little bit about a new technique that's available at McKenzie's Physical Therapy called Instrument-Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization. So Sony's going to go ahead and show us a couple of the techniques as I'm explaining them to you. This is, the first thing she's going to do is called feathering. So this is to help calm down sensitive tissues and to help with pain management. It's very gentle and helps with almost any type of pain or injury that you might have sustained, whether it's post-surgery or an injury. The next thing she's going to show us is what's called upregulation. So this is used to help excite tissues and improve muscle recruitment, stronger contractions, give you better strength. Another thing that we can do with these tools is what's called downregulation, and this is going to help calm down muscle spasms, help improve flexibility, as well as help improve pain and circulation. And another thing that we use these tools for, especially like after knee replacements or post-surgery that you might have some scar tissue that's limiting mobility, is called chopping. So it's a very gentle technique that helps to improve motion without putting a lot of extra stress on your tissues. So these are some techniques that are available as part of your treatment here at McKenzie, and if you're having anything that's limiting your ability to complete your activities of daily living, please let us know.